Yeah, which one do you want?
Calm them both down.
Oh yeah.
Fit 500?
No. It's not.
So excited.
But there's your crew.
It's amazing what a flat cap and a tweed jacket can do.
Well,
I should have gone bow tie actually.
Shut up, I made you a good hat.
Does it look alright?
You look gorgeous.
It's a little bit more headroom.
She doesn't look any more beautiful today than she was.
I would go with something like that. I don't care.
Absolutely stunning.
This is threw that together in no time.
I know. I just won't cover this.
Still got the wrapper on you.
That's from that.
Oh,
Is it?
Where else have I been?
go on, guys.
I haven't been anywhere.
No one will see. He'll be looking at you.
Of course they are, Russell. I keep telling myself that.
Everyone has it.
Everyone has. It's fun.
Wow.
That is 60s.
Okay. Oh, of course it is. Oh, it's, of course it is. Scooby-Doo.
66.
Yeah.
Have we got our umbrellas, Russ?
Yeah, I've got both.
Look there.
Hold on. Land Rovers. Defender, that's what you want.
Do you know that Hills and Livingston's been getting them in as well, just to talk?
Oh, really?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Is this bus going to Laban?
Next there is the lady over there in the green high-vis jacket.
Just face first. And that just falls. Where is Sky?
Right down there. Another bus pulled up and let me alone.
Do you want to go to the circuit first?
It's worth watching.
Oh, sorry, no, it's so annoying. I was like, two bus services. Everyone just there for real. I'm English. I'm like, You can put that on between your jeans and parking space.
Does it disappear after auctions and things?
Have you got one of them?
Yes.
Because I've got